These cards were so much fun to make. I did not realize that I ended up making so many of them. That's probably why I have so much footage, like hours of it that I had to cut down. I hope you enjoy these dried floral cards. And if this video inspires you, share it with someone who you think might like it. And I hope it inspires you to go make something crafty. Let me know what you're going to make in the comments below. When I make sets of cards like this, I do them in batches. So here I am folding all of the card bases and I'm doing it all in the same size. I took an 8.5 by 11 cardstock and cut it down the middle, and then I just fold those pieces in half. Then I pick out all the florals for each card, kind of just haphazardly. There's not really a plan in place here. I'm just kind of seeing what looks good and picking different sets for different things. I really enjoyed how this card turned out. It almost looks like a butterfly and it's just so beautiful. Also, if you're wondering where I got the sunflowers and the little ladybugs, Dollar Tree. That's just so perfect. Okay, now onto this card. I laid out this card and I thought I liked it, swiped everything away and started over. That typically happens. So you just gotta go with the flow. And I think what I came up with is actually a lot better. PS, if you noticed, some of these backing papers are actually paint chips. If you're on a tight budget and you want some really cool textures and colors, head to like Walmart or Home Depot or wherever you can get paint sample strips from and just kind of grab handfuls of like cool color combos and you can use them for your cards. It's awesome. And if I ever make a card course, which I've started but I haven't done, that tip will be in there, so there's a sneak peek for you. These cards were so much fun to make. Hold on. Anyways, I hope you enjoy floral cards, and I will see you guys in the next one.